I love roast chicken. Who doesn't love roast chicken? But in some cuisines, it's all about steaming or poaching chicken. But with the Samsung Infinite Line oven, you can steam and cook on the same time. You get the best of both worlds because you can roast the chicken and add some steam as well. So it keeps really moist. So I've got a beautiful chicken here. Because we've got such a large cooking area in the ovens, we've got a really big roasting tray. So we can fill this up with vegetables. And you just pile it high. This is all about conviviality, bringing it to the table as a big dish, big sharing dish. There we go. And then I'm going to finish it off with some lovely tarragon. Chicken and tarragon is a perfect accompaniment. I'm going to put that in the cavity, and that's going to steam inside the chicken. Give that lovely, lovely flavor. A little bit of seasoning, a good drizzle of oil, and that is it. So simple. Now I've preset the steam assist function to 200 degrees. And there we go, an hour and a half, depending on the size of the bird. The chicken's been in about an hour and a half, and look at this. Oh, wow, wow. The smell is amazing, absolutely amazing. And look at these beautiful roast veggies, all caramelized. Gorgeous and sweet, and the juices at the bottom of the pan. And the garlic, look at that. The skin is beautiful and golden and crispy. And the chicken itself is guaranteed to be moist.